Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw a cute cupcake starting with a cherry on top. A top layer of icing and then layer some more icing underneath that. A few wavy lines. Every layer slightly different. And then we do the cake underneath it. Brilliant! Hey, let's do a face! 2 shiny eyes. Couple of little eyebrows and a smile. Right, now we're going to thicken up the border to make a nice thick black outline. And time to paint. Ooh, which colour shall we do first? Let's do the cherry first. A nice spot of red. I love cherries, they're my favourite. Do you like the fresh ones or do you like those sweet ones? I like fresh cherries. Perfect, now let's do yellow for our top layer of buttercream icing. I think we'll make this a nice rainbow covered cupcake. Let's do blue. This could be blueberry flavoured. Imagine if your buttercream icing was all different flavours. Wouldn't that be tantalising on your taste buds? Now let's go for green. This could be minty flavoured. So you can use a separate paintbrush for each of these colours or simply dip the same paintbrush in clean water each time to wash off the previous colour. And purple, my favourite. Hey, this could be plum flavour. Or maybe even blackberry. What do you think? Now our last layer of buttercream icing could be yellow again. Yeah, yellow at the bottom and yellow at the top. Wow, it's like a rainbow buttercream icing sandwich. Vanilla, I think, or maybe lemon. Time to colour in the cake. Orange. Painting around those eyes, those big cute eyes. We can even mix a bit of yellow in with the orange to make it slightly more peachy. Keep going, you're doing great. Almost there. And just the last bit. Done! And there you have it, a gorgeous rainbow cupcake. Good job.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!